Please state your name, year and course, position you are running for, and under what slate you are running under.
So my name is Jose Emmanuel Miguel Mickey Eva D8, third year BS Geography, running for CSSP Vice Chairperson, running sa slate ng Buklod CSSP.
What do you believe should be among the top priorities of newly elected UP President Alfredo Pascual, and why?
I think the top priority of the new President Pascual, should be the student agenda in general. So kasama na dito yung students' right to tambayans, nandito na rin ang isang transparent administration, nandito na rin ang mas pinalawig na STFAP bracketization or mas transparent na STFAP bracketization. And also, this should be done na transparent yung administration and nagiging consultative sa mga estudyante from different groups of students. Kasi naman, ang estudyante ang pinakamalaking stakeholder sa university. So, yeah.
Recently, Eastern Samar Representative Ben Evardone led his allies in Congress in fresh efforts to amend the 1987 Constitution. Given that there is already a new administration in place led by President Aquino, do you think that charter change is warranted?
First of all, yung charter change naman this year ay considered pa lang naman. Pero before we actually do a charter change or we actually change our constitution, we have to be first sure that the changes are appropriate, necessary, relevant. Although we recognize that there are indeed flaws sa current constitution natin, the changes should be yun nga, relevant and appropriate. Secondly, the process should be very transparent. It should be dapat alam ito ng mga Filipino citizens. At pangatlo, dapat hindi lang transparent, parte yung mga Pilipino sa pag-amend ng constitution. And that is if ever makitaan natin ng final decision na itutuloy ang charter change. So, as of now, consideration pa lang naman siya. So, yes, we shall see if what will happen.
Kung ikaw ay magiging isang ulam, ano yon at bakit?
Dahil Bicolano ako, kung magiging ulam ako, Bicol Express. Bukod sa Bicolano ako, favorite ko din siya. And also, ang pananaw ko kasi sa buhay, kahit ano man na anghang yung dahil ng buhay sa atin, dapat patuloy tayong nasasarapan dito at nag-grow sa sustansya na meron ng buhay tulad ng Bicol Express. So,
is there anything else you want to say?
Let's support Buklod CSSP. Subok na yung serbisyo nito at patuloy natin na in-engage ito sa mga estudyante na maging epektibo yung paglahok ng mga estudyante. And of course, yes, Buklod CSSP.